Koro tui. Ngā mihi o te tauhau, kia ora koutou e te whānau, nau mai, haere mai, hoki mai, te umuariki for Ki Mai Māori, and also a shout out for our Koro Tui kōrero and waiata challenge we're having on. It's been a bit of fun, and you're either in here in the wānanga at the moment, our wānanga, patua te taniwha. Pātua te taniwha, whether it's the taniwha of whakamā, embarrassment, anything that holds us back in our life, not only with speaking te reo Māori, just so many things that hold us back. I still have plenty too. I'm always working on them, not always pointing the finger at you, but these three looking at me as it was put to me. But anyway, an opportunity to work on your confidence. We use this medium here of the camera, and we use our presentations, whether we're doing 10-week karakia challenge, whether we're doing the Koro Tui waiata challenge. But what it's really about essentially is about helping us to express ourselves, to present ourselves, to kōrero. Some whānau don't have an opportunity. They may be away, they may be overseas. An opportunity to come into a wānanga in an online group and share and use fun and supportive group as opposed to just being a group, a Facebook page. We called it a wānanga. So we're in there now wānanga, and we have our kawa and tikanga to keep us safe. Hey you guys, if you'd like to jump in and have a look, we've still got 2 more weeks before we start the 10-week challenge of the Koro Tui. And good for beginners, but also a lot of people may have a lot of mātauranga, a lot of knowledge, and know a lot of things, but sometimes some things hold us back from expressing ourselves. So that's what this Patua Te Taniwha wānanga is about. Once we're in there, we have several wero or challenges. We have our weekly wero plus, where you'll put yourself out there, express yourself, just in some short little wero once a week. But at the moment, the one we're doing is the Koro Tui, and it'll be 10 weeks, and the first waiata will be in English, just because, you know, celebrating all our languages, but celebrating yourself, because a lot of people who are come, they won't be Māori, they're Māori and non-Māori, so it's an opportunity for everyone to express themselves. Then as each week progresses, we'll be adding to it. Just a little bit of your mihi, your introductions, then a little bit more. Don't use it all up in the first one because it's going to grow. Then you'll get to put in your pepeha, and then your kaupapa kōrero, so save some. But what you can do is celebrate your absolute uniqueness with your own waiata. I'll give you an intro and an outro in te reo Māori, and then you add in your own whakatauki at the end, something like that. But before we start that, we have the preheats. And even though you might look silly or sound silly, the first one's called the Wharepaku Challenge. And I didn't mean it literally, you had to be in the Wharepaku, but was better than calling it the Bathroom Challenge. So we start with the Wharepaku Challenge. There's a waiata there, then we have the Whare Kai Challenge, then the Whare Nui, and then the Whare Tāpere. Those are the prerequisites and the preheats. By then you'll know whether you want to do the challenge. Okay? Anyway, that's about enough. If you're not in the wānanga, there should be a link here. I'll put a link there for you to click, jump in, have a look. If that's you, join in, watch the welcome video. If not, jump out, all good. But if you come in and tautoko. Even if you tautoko the others for a while to you Patua Te Taniwha to get started. Anyway, it's meant to be a short one and it never is, but that's it. I'll see you in there. We have 2 weeks, and we're also going to be starting another kaupapa in a week or so and you look out for that, the ABCs of Te Reo Māori, all about pronunciation, enunciation, and all those sounds. All right then, hao nao brown cow. I'll catch you later on. I'll see you in the wānanga. I'll see you out there. Hei ko nei rā. Patua te tanipa.